Milwaukee Tool finally releases these two highly requested tools. If you're a Milwaukee Tool fan just like me, these are some exciting times. Milwaukee has been taking your feedback and reinventing existing tools to make them even more useful. For instance, this first tool was originally produced for the M12 FUEL platform, and because of its huge success, but cries for more power, Milwaukee Tool decided to expand their hatchet lineup into the M18 battery platform. Milwaukee Tool says, continuing its leadership in battery-powered saws, Milwaukee Tool introduces the M18 FUEL Hatchet 8-inch pruning saw. The hatchet delivers increased access and control with the power to cut hardwoods and is the fastest cutting pruning saw. And here's the deal, Milwaukee Tool is the inventor of the Sawzall, and they've used that experience to capitalize with their one-handed recip saws. And now, this hatchet lineup. They go on to say, following the success of the M12 FUEL Hatchet, 6 inches, pruning saw, which offered solutions for pruning in the tightest applications, we set out to deliver those benefits using the M18 battery system, meeting our needs of users who had to tackle more demanding pruning applications, said Tony Buxton, Group President Manager from Milwaukee Tool. Many industry professionals are forced to compromise between power and size in tighter, hard-to-access applications. The new M18 FUEL Hatchet 8-inch pruning saw delivers the performance required by a professional arborist and landscaper without the compromise. Weighing less than 5 pounds without a battery and featuring a compact design, the M18 FUEL Hatchet offers increased access and control in tight spaces compared to full-size chainsaw solutions. The saw's advanced ergonomic and optimized design increases control and maneuverability in application to revolutionize the way users get the job done. The PowerStay brushless motor delivers the power to cut through hardwoods without bogging down to complete demanding applications, and the M18 FUEL technology allows users to cut faster than their current preferred solution of 25cc gas pruning saws, driving efficiency and productivity on the job. The advanced electronics package enables a saw to reach full throttle in under 1 second with a single trigger pull, eliminating the hassle of pull starting a gas saw in aerial cutting applications. The M18 FUEL Hatchet also eliminates common gas frustrations such as loud noise, emissions, engine maintenance, and mixing gas and oil. This M18 FUEL Hatchet 8-inch pruning saw, product number 3004-20, will be available this October and has an MSRP of $279. Bare tool. Next up, Milwaukee Tool continues to expand their industry-leading lineup of fastening solutions with the introduction of their new M12 FUEL 3/8 and 1/4 inch extended Reach High Speed Ratchets. Milwaukee goes on to say these solutions deliver the most access in tight spaces while providing the fastest ratcheting speeds up to 35 foot-pounds of max torque. Featuring the longest reach and smallest head size, users can complete critical applications around automobile and heavy-duty equipment. The extended neck design provides 20% more reach than competitive ratchets. The compact head profile and recessed forward reverse shift knob reduces width, providing the best-in-class access at 0.76 inches. Delivering 450 RPM, these tools provide speed up to 35% faster than other cordless ratchets. The high speeds increase the technician's daily productivity and reduce fatigue by allowing them to remove and fasten more bolts back-to-back throughout the day. Providing up to 35 foot-pounds of max torque, these ratchets offer pneumatic performance without the hassle of hoses, cords, or routine tool maintenance. In addition, the M12 FUEL Extended Reach High Speed Ratchets deliver the same torque as pneumatic solutions to break free and run stubborn fasteners. These M12 ratchets have a 5-year tool warranty with an MSRP for the kits at $349 and bare tool prices at $249 and should be available this November. And if you're as excited about these new Milwaukee tools as I am and want to see more, check out this next video that highlights announcements from Milwaukee's Pipeline 2022.